to that shit.
Not my fault.
Oh my god, these fucking clips are annoying as fuck right now. I could just rip them
And how
off.
hack of a job they did.
Yeah, man. Alright, man, smell this. Right here. That's the rice. That's the rice. Smell it. There you go. He said, certified arroz con pollo.
Back up.
He wants to check the engine bay, bro. See if it's boosted or not.
Loki!
Yep, he's smelling it right there. Yep, this is it. Hey, yo.
You done? Maricón.
I trained him well, huh? Yeah. You hear him?
You hear him smelling?
Yes, sir. He knows rice when he fucking smells it. Yeah, sir. You smell that shit? Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
He's checking out the bay, bro. He wants to see the hard work
bro.
he did. Es que sigue. What the hell is he smelling there?
Oh.
Did you paint the grill already?
Come on, bro.
Oh, man. Yep, smell it, smell it. Yep, those headlights are gonna go anyway. Don't worry about it, buddy. He got a long ass neck. You be training them, huh? That shit diesel look like a dick.
Pretty good too.
Look like a dick back here.
Back, Loki. Back up, bro. What are you doing? Not here. It's fucking culture. Remind me of a fucking.
Yep.
What is it?
He's checking out the whip, bro. Leave him alone.
Don't want him fucking making any more scratches, and there already is.
Yeah, you know what it is? You're taking so long to remove the bumper. He's trying to help you, bro. So, you're missing
Your mom.
Damn, can my go butt crack? He said, hey, I want some of the action.
Oh my god. Bro, back off. Yeah, keep looking at it. It gets better.
You're taking it. You're fucking dirty. Shit look like a whole fucking rug back there. I'll just be here supervising. Yes, sir. Is that the new one or the old one?
What the fuck?
Uh-oh.
Who already scratched my shit?
Uh-oh.
What you mean already scratched it?
Look, it wasn't like this last time.
You're gonna paint it anyways, right?
Hey! Chill out! Coño! Qué joder. Yo.
Yo.
You home?
Nigga, weren't you just here?
I don't know, nigga. I didn't go in your room. What the fuck? Are you home?
Yeah.
So you plan on getting food poisoning or something?
No, I already got food.
You didn't listen to the question, did you?
You said, are you planning on getting food today?
Poisoning.
No, food poisoning, nigga. You left that chicken out since fucking 3:30, nigga. Mira que horas son.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it right now.
What you doing? What you doing over there? Bring it over here.
Bro, can I get it up?
I know you're looking like you're about to open the whole package there. Yo, can you help this animal, please? Wow.
Negro. Como me gustan los hombres. What? Fits?
Yeah.
You sure these are the right lights?
You know they don't do the. David, they don't do the.
I mean, the other ones didn't do it anyways.
They did. No, they did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
I might take those apart and do something to them. Because they are.
Yeah?
I might make those black.
Oh yeah?
Are you looking at my ass, man?
What ass? Man, shit flat as hell.
Wow. Kevin, you want to talk to me like that?
And that's it.
It's pretty sad.
Wow. How much did this go for? On eBay?
Like $200.
200. How much you pay?
140 for these and the fog lights.
He scammed you, bro. I'm telling you.
The fog lights alone were
These are
They were
wish.
like $70.
These are wish special. I'm telling you, bro.
That's why they.
That's why I don't do the little thing. I see the.
That's why they do the.
Franklin, what the fuck you? Let me see something. Why is that shit like that?
What?
She looks like you got panties on. It has like a little V like right between your cheeks.
What if I do?
You probably do, you faggot. Oh shit. Nigga, you probably have a wedgie then.
Who said I didn't want it?
Kevin, talk to your mans, please.
This shit has no wiring in it whatsoever.
Start transferring those wires, Poppy. Yo, get that hairy ass butt cheek, nigga, out my face.
I looked all the way, you stupid. Oh! Oh, deeper! Ay!
Me gusta ese pasa, man.
Yeah. How does he do it? Wow, that shit looking bubbly as fuck. Well, not bubbly, textury as fuck. Just so the camera can see it too, honestly.
You're a bitch.
Ooh. Yo. Nigga, it looks like he fucking laid down bed liner on this bitch.
Shut off the high beam.
Oh. You're right. This was... It's fucking cold. This time it's not on over here.
Going on over
Damn,
Something not right. You put this in.
Oh, they put that in.
It's part of the headlight, Kevin.
They put those in.
I'll give it 2 weeks.
So the bitch shut off, right?
Yeah, I hate that. The old ones used to do that.
Why don't you change that?
Or wire, you gotta put it really good. Nothing
Wow.
Bro,
The
can
big
I
out
fucking
there.
put my shit back together?
eBay special, yo. How does it feel to be a racer like me now? So how does it feel to be a racer like me?
It feels nice.
Thank you. Close them, let's find out. Slam that shit. Whoa. Is that how it stays? Wow, must be nice to have money.
Ollie off the bar, man.
She in her style, I just seen her eyes, and she look like she been gone. Go all the time, she so known. I seen her eyes, and she looking like she be looking. I wanna stay, I never told you, but I never stay. I never told you, but I never stay. I never told you, but I never told you, but I never told you.
Baby, yeah, I act a little crazy. I hope you fall in love with someone good for you. Yeah, make money, that's what I did for you. I hope you fall in love with someone good for you. Yeah, make money, that's what I did for you. You just really want to so we even be. And I know what he really did to you.
This clip is my friend recording it with his phone. After a day or two, I think it was, it got all this water on the driver's side headlight only. After it turned hot outside, it went away, but I wouldn't recommend these just because of that. If you do buy them, just try to silicone it again, like open it and silicone it again so that won't happen. Just saying. Well, deuces.